Wizard.
Hey, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today we're live with my DRP Enterprises team on a job, and I want to talk to you about something wood related that does come up, it does happen, people don't think it does. Everybody thinks that all decks today are being composite or PVC type decking. That's not necessarily the case. And I apologize if you hear compressors going off and equipment going, saws going, but we are live on a site. This job was a brown old Trex composite deck that was very hot for a new homeowner who moved in with their dog and wanted to sit out on the deck. She wanted it removed. It wasn't built that great anyway. It wasn't built to manufacturer recommendations, let alone if it was built to code. 16-inch centers on the joist, but diagonal pattern. That's a no-no with Trex. Should be 12-inch centers. Anyway, fast forward to this, we rebuilt the deck with wood, so her and the dog are going to be able to come out here and enjoy that. Don't think that people do not use wood decks still. There's a lot of people that still like wood. Your pets like wood. Did you ask your pet what it likes to sit out on the deck? Because if you like to sit out on your deck with a dog and you have a dark brown composite deck, it's probably going to be hot if it's in the sun. So anyway, we replaced this with a wood deck. Customer's going to be happy, dog's going to be happy, everybody's going to be happy, so it does happen. And don't think that it doesn't. So just a little thing out here with the wood. Now, one thing, when we do a wood deck with pressure treated pine, which we did here, we like to use kiln dried wood, and we use prime, which means we don't have the knots and it's already kiln dried, so we don't worry about sap and resin. So we use good wood when we do that. So again, Everett Abrams, Wizard of Wood, not just restoration, all things wood, Wizard of Wood. All right, thank you for watching the video. And guess what, it's January 3rd in southern New Jersey, so we're still going, and wish you a happy new year.